Dear dignitaries and each of you who joined us today, a very warm welcome. We are honored to have with us today as a chief guest and keynote speaker, Shri Vishwas Nangre Patil, Joint Commissioner of Police Law and Order. We also have amongst us the esteemed presence of Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Provost, HSNC University and President of HSNC.
ऐसी जिए ना छुप छुपाए ना छुप छुपाए
It's my absolute honor and privilege to extend a very warm welcome to all our honorable dignitaries. I'd like to begin with the man who has recently been conferred with the Mumbai Ratna, and he's very soon going to become the Bharat Ratna, our Provost of HSNC University, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. I think he deserves a huge round of applause. There are many in the world who have written history. This man writes geography. मी तुम्हाला एक चारोळी सांगते. अर्जुनाचे शस्त्र आहे बाण, विद्या हेच सर्वात मोठे दान. पोलिसाची सेवाची आहे आम्हाला जाण, कारण ते आहेत म्हणून सुरक्षित आहे महाराष्ट्राची आन बान आणि शान. Mumbai city, I am a woman, I work freely and a citizen. I feel so free because it's so safe. The way Mumbai police protects all of us, it's a real salute to all of us. The population we have, the amount of people there are, the way the COVID situation has been handled by this government, BMC and especially the Mumbai police is really hats off. Absolutely hats off. Post Ganpati also, our figures are so low. We have been in our houses secure, but they have been working round the clock. So a huge salute to you, sir, and your entire force for the kind of safety that we all feel, and I'm sure my young students and the girls feel. We feel absolutely free and safe because this is the city which takes your dreams and lets us fly. So thank you very much, sir, once again for joining us and accepting our invitation. And I conclude with the famous words, aim for the moon so that even if you fail, you're somewhere among the stars. Thank you so much.
May I take this opportunity to invite Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Provost, HSNC University, Trustee of the HSNC Board and a leading entrepreneur to say a few words.
Thank you very much for calling me here today. Fantastic. You spoke beautifully. I always talk about how do you really reach greatness? And people wonder how people really become great. And then we see what's happening in these colleges, and your principal actually takes the leader. That every time I come to a program, it's always 1% or 5% better than before. So she's constantly progressing, and I see that the programs that she's thinking about and dwelling on keeps on moving to a higher plateau. So you always keep on coming with innovative ideas, bringing it to the next platform. Your speeches are getting better and better. All the time we see the professors coming up with new ideas and new thoughts. As you have mentioned over here about Dr. Ravi Shukla, wonderful ideas that have come up from your staff. I think that's extremely fantastic. I wish I was clever enough in terms of my position to have thought this earlier. When I saw the movie and the show just now created by the BMM students, so congratulations to the students for making a wonderful movie. It was really very nice. One thing I certainly noticed specifically, and that was that our police officer is so handsome and now living in Bandra. I'm sure he is going to be picked up by the movies for the purposes of acting as a hero in one of the movies. So the best people should get into the civil services so that, like we have Dr. Vishwas Patil, all the good people should really look at the civil services strongly in the next couple of years.
Ladies and gentlemen, Legend is a word that probably suffers from overuse. But when it comes to our chief guest today, it probably is an understatement. विश्वास नागरे पाटील, महाराष्ट्र शासनाचे एक उच्च अधिकारी, एक कर्तव्यदक्ष पोलीस अधिकारी. विश्वास नागरे पाटील 26/11च्या भयावह बॉम्ब हल्ल्याच्या वेळी प्राणाची बाजी लावत ताज हॉटेलमध्ये प्रवेश करणारे पहिले पाऊल. विश्वास नागरे पाटील एक फिटनेस आयकॉन. विश्वास नागरे पाटील छोट्या गावातून खडतर कष्ट करून स्पर्धात्मक परीक्षेत उत्तुंग यश मिळवण्याचा यशोमार्ग दाखवणारा दीपस्तंभ. विश्वास नागरे पाटील मन में है विश्वास या आपल्या पुस्तकाद्वारे युवकांसाठी उभी असलेली एक प्रेरणादायी चळवळ. खरं तर कितीही बोललं तरी कमी पडेल अशी प्रत्यक्ष आयुष्याच्या पडद्यावर हिरोचं काम करणारी व्यक्ती आज आपल्यात उपस्थित आहे. त्यांचा फॉर्मल परिचय तर तुम्ही सगळे जाणतातच, पण एक माणूस म्हणून त्यांचा परिचय मी एका कवितेतून तुम्हाला करून देऊ इच्छिते. सो हिअर गोज. कर्तव्याचे होई गाणे तन्मयतेची तान, कर्तव्याचे होई गाणे तन्मयतेची तान, परिश्रमाच्या वेलीवरचे यश सोनेरी पान, अशी कल्पना मनात यावी तिचाच व्हावा ध्यास, अशी कल्पना मनात यावी तिचाच व्हावा ध्यास, त्या ध्यासातून उमलत जाई रोज नवा अभ्यास, अभ्यासातून उमगत जाई पूर्ण जगाचे पान, परिश्रमाच्या वेलीवरचे यश सोनेरी पान, थकल्यावरही देवरीचे रोज असावे जागे, पहाट होता नव्या दमाने मन मार्गाला लागे, मती कृतीतील सरता अंतर योग साधतो छान, मती कृतीतील सरता अंतर योग साधतो छान, परिश्रमाच्या वेलीवरचे यश सोनेरी पान, कर्तृत्वाच्या शिखरावरही नसती हे वेधावे, कर्तृत्वाच्या शिखरावरही नसती हे वेधावे, यशातले आनंद ज्ञान सर्वांचे होऊन जावे, नम्रतेतला सुगंध पसरे हिरवे अवघे रान, नम्रतेतला सुगंध पसरे हिरवे अवघे रान, परिश्रमाच्या वेलीवरचे यश सोनेरी पान, कर्तव्याचे होई गाणे तन्मयतेची तान, परिश्रमाच्या वेलीवरचे यश सोनेरी पान, यश सोनेरी पान.
Trustee of HSNC and a visionary of Mumbai City, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. I just heard ma'am speaking, eloquent speaker, great team leader, COVID warrior, Dr. Neha Jagtiani, principal of National College, Dr. Ravi Shukla, my colleague, Senior Inspector of Khar Police Station, all the professors and young aspirants who want to be into civil services. Innovation in hate, compassion in heart, passion in the belly and vision in the eyes. Your team is striving to make the students all-rounder, and I'm really privileged to witness this new episode of the untapped potential which need to be tapped in Mumbai City, that civil services examination. I'm sure these youngsters, the great vision Dr. Hiranandani has already visualized about redeveloping this project, and in that all kinds of infrastructure facilities would be provided for preparing for civil services. Ma'am gave me 4 points and I was just saying those points. She asked me to talk about my journey, for which I will talk for 10 minutes and 10 minutes guidance to the students. I belong to 1997 batch of IPS.
I had 23 years meaningful journey from a rural boy to IPS. And then 24 years I just completed in IPS with lot of odds, encounters, struggles. My village is located in Sahyadris. Beautiful Varna river surrounds my village. And I had read somewhere that rural students are like wildflowers. If they get good fertile soil, good dose of fertilizer, good sunlight, then they blossom so beautifully that even the daffodils, roses, all kinds of exotic flowers can't match them. And on the river bank of Varna, such wild flowers blossomed, and I was one lucky one which blossomed in 1997. I had my schooling in Jilla Parishad school up to 7th standard. Jilla Parishad is like municipal school. And I decided to prepare when I was in 10th. My teacher gave me that dream. I was staying as a paying guest in my teacher's house, and one habit he inculcated in me, that he, on the day when I was staying in his house, and he said, you have to get up, rise at 3 a.m. in the wee hours. And I was a normal, average kind of a student. But this habit, there is a beautiful saying that watch your thoughts, those become your words. Watch your words, those become your actions. Watch your actions, those become your habits. Good habits will lead to a good character, and bad habits to a bad character. And on the character, your destiny depends. When there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony at home. When there is harmony at home, there is peace in the nation. So that habit made me compete well in my SSC examination. I got 88% in 1988. The heights of great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but while their companions were slept, they were toiling upwards in the night. So getting up in the wee hours, I am still a 5 a.m. club man. Alternate day I run 5 kilometers, on Sundays I run 21 kilometers. I am 48 now, but I can run 48 kilometers. I have run in the marathon. Yeah.
He's 70 and he can run 70 kilometers.
So he's the role model. Handsome, tall man. So when I was in 10th, I heard one speech of Mr. Bhushan Gagrani, you must be knowing, and he got cracked. I was in school and he was invited as chief guest. He's also fitness freak. And that ignited, that he gave the examination in Marathi language. Even I appeared for UPSC, I prepared in Marathi language only. You have to study a lot of English books, but my medium of writing was Marathi. My medium for interview was also Marathi. That is the facility about which you must not be aware of. In Maharashtra, the best institute for preparing for civil services is SIAC, State Institute for Administrative Careers. It's opposite Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, which was started in 1981 by the then Chief Minister Vasantdada Patil sir, with a vision to bring Maharashtrians into civil services. Even in Thane there is C.D. Deshmukh Institution run by a municipal corporation. Very good institutions. But here in Mumbai there is no awareness as such. But I was in Kolhapur, I was studying, that time I got to know about this examination. So I started preparation then, and in 1997 I cracked 12 examination in consecutive sequence. I got into IPS through UPSC. I was selected as Deputy Collector and Sales Tax Inspector through MPSC. So that was not by fluke. There was long drawn plan, long drawn trap. And not only me, from my village we were 3 in the final list of civil services. My village population, that point of time was only 1800. I got into IPS. My cousin Anand Patil, who is the secretary, principal secretary to the governor of Tamil Nadu, he got allotted into Tamil Nadu cadre. He got into IAS, and my friend Sugan Chogle, my classmate, he got into Indian Foreign Service. So that is unfortunately none from Mumbai city was in the finalists. That's what I said, that untapped potential. And this is the visionary state, and this may create a very good awareness amongst other colleges also, because they will come to know about this initiative. So there was a long drawn trail. I remember I came with a rucksack full of books, 2-3 jeans, 2-3 t-shirts. There was no place to stay in South Mumbai. I got admission into SIC, but I was a day scholar, not a resident student. So I was searching for accommodation over there. I searched servant quarters in Yashodan building also, where I was staying later on as Deputy Commissioner of Police. 10 by 10 servant quarters. Then I got into that MLA hostel opposite Regal Theatre, Majestic MLA hostel. Ma'am was telling that I was dreaming to go into Taj, but my pocket never allowed to eat rice plate of more than 15 rupees at that point of time. I'm a son of a farmer. But the eyes were full of dreams. मुट्ठी में लेकर कुछ सपने भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान कहीं कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए. सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे, मेरी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे. मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है. मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं, तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे, चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक. Hard work, hard work, hard work. I trusted in myself. I wrote my blueprint of my life. And there is self-respect is the most important thing. I will work day and night. I kept the naysayers, negative people at bay. I took every failure as blessing in disguise. I learned from my mistakes. And one conviction was in my mind, that was giving something back to the society. Why I want to come into the service. To love, to help, and to serve. These are the 3 beautiful verbs. The work which is done by your college, I saw in the video, commendable. There is enough in this world to fulfill every single individual's need, but there can never be anything which will fulfill a single individual's greed. The greed is the cause. He has narrated about 7 social sins of our age. Politics without principles, science without humanity, commerce without morality, education or knowledge without character, wealth without work, religion or worship without sacrifice, and most important, pleasure without conscience. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना न अखराता है. आखिर उसकी कोशिश बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. तो असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई वो देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक सफल न हो, चैन नींद सब त्यागो तुम, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Poem of La Mancha. To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to run where the brave dare not to go, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far. To fight for the right, without questions, without pause, to be willing to march into the hell for heavenly cause. The heavenly cause is very important. And the last lines, which are more relevant for that situation, I will be true to that glorious quest when my heart will lie peaceful and calm, when I am laid to my final rest, and the world will be better for this. That one man, scorned and covered with scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach that unreachable star. मैं खाकी हूँ, दिन हूँ, रात हूँ, सांझ वाली बाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. आंधी में, तूफान में, होली में, रमजान में, देश के सम्मान में अडिग कर्तव्यों की अविचल परिपाटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. तैयार हूँ हमेशा ही तेज धूप और बारिश को हंसकर सह जाने को, सारे त्योहार भीड़ के साथ मनाने को, कभी पत्थर और कभी गोली भी खाने को. मैं बनी दूजी माटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. विघ्न विकट सहकर भी सुशोभित सज्जित भाती हूँ, मुस्काती हूँ, इटलाती हूँ, वर्दी में गौरव पाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. तम में प्रकाश हूँ, कठिन वक्त में आंसू, हर वक्त तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, बुलाओ तो दौड़ी आती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. लास्ट लाइन्स आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. भूख और थकान की बात ही क्या, कभी आहट हूँ, कभी चोटिल हूँ, और कभी तिरंगे में लिपटी रोती सिसकती छाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. This great college with great tradition, great history has started this initiative. Dr. Shukla, I must congratulate you for thinking this initiative, and Ma'am, Neha Ma'am, Niranjan sir, for supporting this initiative. I'm sure this college would be kind of a new quota to produce more IAS, IPS and civil servants with ignited minds, with vision, with passion. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
In a move to create awareness on substance abuse, RD National College has launched its Drug-Free Campus campaign. This campaign aims to provide a safe learning environment for all the students of the college. The campaign envisions to empower the youth, which is the future of the nation, with factual information about drugs so that they can become competent enough to take informed decisions to live drug-free. I would request our esteemed dignitaries to inaugurate our drug-free campus campaign. We are indeed very fortunate that this campaign is being inaugurated by Shri Vishwas Nagre Patil, Joint Commissioner of Mumbai City, who is a role model for all the youngsters. Round of applause, please.
Now that the formal part of the program is over, we can't let this absolutely Singam Dabang man go away without having a surprise element. He has to remember that he came to RD National College 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,